Yes, hello guys. We are today doing ARM assembly language program. In this program, we will be taking a string as a user input and calculating the total number of characters in a string. If the total count of string comes to be even, we will converting the entire string into a lowercase. And if it's odd, we will keep the string as it is. So let's start the program. So the program starts with the area string process code read-only entry mode, which is a very basic of every ARM assembly language program. The main programs are from the main function block. Here the LDR R0 equal to input string. That is the string which the user is giving is being stored into the register named as R0 by the command LDR. We are now loading the string given by the user. After that, we are initializing another register R1, which will be help for character count with 0. Next, we start with a count loop. Inside a count loop, we will be extracting individual characters from the string to R2 by the command LDRB, and we will be extracting till we reach the null terminator by comparing the R2 which has 0. Afterwards, once the count of the string has been done, by incrementing the R1 variable by 1, we will check whether the count is even or not. If the count is even, then the count of even can be checked by adding the R3 value with 1. So if the count comes to be true, we will be converting the entire string into the lowercase. Now, to convert the string into the lowercase, we will be moving the pointer to the convert loop. Inside the convert loop, individual character from the string will be extracted to R5 register using the LDRB command till we reach the null terminator. Now, the characters which we have extracted are in uppercase. So to convert them into lowercase, we will be adding 32 with their ASCII value. By the R5, you can see that in the R5, add R5, R5 has 32. After conversion them to a lowercase, we will be again storing them back to the location where the memory location which we have been taken using the strp command, R5, R0, slash R4, and then moving the pointer for the next character till we reach a null terminator. After this, the program will be ended, and now if the count comes out to be odd, we will be keep the string as it is. Now let's see how the program works. So first we will do build target. Yeah, build target, and then we will do debug. Then we will be opening a memory window. Then we will be loading the address. Then we will be converting it for setting up for ASCII. ASCII will check. Then we will be putting the string. String by adding a click on modify memory. Now we will click on run. So we can see that as the input string has 8 number of characters, this is even, we have converted the entire string into lower